Hey, let me show you how we can fix this issue when you cannot connect back your DualSense wireless controller to your PS5 Slim. So take a look. In my case, it doesn't work, and that's kind of easy fix. So we have to find this USB-C cable, like this one. Let me just catch focus on it. There we go. And we have to plug it into the USB-C port that is on the back of our controller. So do it. And of course, the second end of this cable you have to for sure plug into your PlayStation from the front on from the back to the USB-C or USB-A. And now when I click on the PlayStation button, it will be turned on, and as you can see right now it is working, right? And when I go for the Bluetooth accessories, as you can see, it is right now connected. So when I unplug this cable like this, as you can see right now, I'm still connected. So that's easy way to fix your issue with the wireless connection with your DualSense wireless controller. And right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.